I'm Sandra, and my husband and I live in Scottsdale, Arizona. My husband and I purchased three Trane units from On Time Air Conditioning, and two of them are at our house and one in a smaller house. But what I want to say about On Time Air is, first of all, that Ted is really a master technician. He's extraordinary at what he does, and in fact, the company, the people who own it and operate it, are not only very knowledgeable, they are also very customer service oriented. They are honest people, and in addition to that, they're just really nice people.